outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you.
Good afternoon, guys. The storm is over and we got done moving snow. And now I've got to take the S70 and go do some touching up on some sidewalks. Yeah, last night went good, went well. We went out at 7 p.m. and we're not used to going out that early, but it was good. I tried to get a nap in, but that never happened. The phone kept ringing, so I went out a little bit and removed some snow again. And then now we got some more calls that came in, and so I'm gonna go hit those and then do a little touch up on the ones that are drifted in just a little bit. So yeah, Michael's gonna come in a few hours, but until then I'm gonna go and get the sidewalks, and then after that we're gonna hit the commercial accounts. So it's not much, you know, the drift, but we just like to keep it clear. So we like to keep it clear and clean, and so that way nobody falls and slip. So all right, guys, let's start this. Oh, I gotta move the S595 out and then take this little one out too, S70. You guys, I am really glad that we really invested in that snowblower. It's just, I don't know, it just works. It's easier to operate and it's cleaner, you know, than the blade. What I mean by cleaner is the sides, you know, when you're plowing, the sides are just cleaner, so snow doesn't pile up on the side. And plus, you know, it's just, and plus you can move the snow, you know, it just doesn't, you can blow the snow far, you know, for the amount of snow we've gotten this year. You just have to move the snow further than just where the sidewalk's at. So that's why we really like the SB150 snowblower on the S70 there. So yeah, great investment, you guys. I'm glad I pulled the trigger and it's paid off for itself. You know, it's paid for itself already. All right, let's go get some work done.
To get your attention, you make just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty ugly from the minute that I met you.
So Michael and I were up here at our big commercial accounts, hitting out the drift work here, and we've got a few more accounts we got to do. I mean, it shouldn't take us too long. It's a little bit of drifting. So once we get done here, look, check this out. What a night and day difference from yesterday. You know, it was cold, it was snowing, and now it's just sunny and it's bright and it's warm. A lot of stuff is melting. So yeah. All right, you guys get to see this in the daylight now. This parking lot, this big parking lot. Look at this. It's huge. See that? That is huge. So we are just cleaning up some drifts, you guys. Just so drift work. It's just me and Michael out here. Since we didn't need everybody else to come out. Doesn't take us too long. Michael's hitting over there and then I'm hitting over here. Look at the pile of snow, though, guys. Pile there. I mean, it's bigger than what it looks. Michael's over there hitting up those piles. Outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty ugly from the minute that I met you.
Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty over from the minute that I met you.